everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of Veena Developers' newly launched project named as Veena One Lux, located in Andheri West, Lokhandwala, Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project and right behind me is the actual land parcel of this project. Come, let me show you the actual land parcel. So this is the actual land parcel of the project where the project will be constructed and the towers would get built. This project is located bang on Link Road right in front of the Lotus petrol pump, and Infinity Mall is only at a 2-minute walking distance from the project. In this video, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. Talking about the project overview, this project will be constructed on a land parcel of 1 acre, having 1 tower, having ground plus 36 residential floors consisting of 3 BHK and 4 BHK with deck premium residences. Talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located bang on Link Road, Andheri West near Infinity Mall, with Infinity Mall just within 50 meters and Lower Oshiwara metro station just within 50 meters. Lokhandwala is only at and Destin Express Highway is only 2.5 kilometers away from the project. Talking about the amenities, this project has 70 plus luxurious amenities consisting of clubhouse, sky pool with deck, world class gym, landscape garden, yoga deck, kids play area, meditation zone and many more. As told, this project has 3 BHK and 4 BHK with deck premium residences with 3 BHK carpet area of 999 square feet and 4 BHK carpet area of 1699 square feet, and also a 4 BHK with carpet area of 1817 square feet. Talking about the booking process, the booking windows will open soon. Till then, the client can come and visit the site and the sales team will explain you the complete project details along with the 3D model of the project, will give you complete pricing and plans, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying 10% of the agreement value.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.